Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice maker assembly in the Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdrivers and a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice maker assembly. The purpose of the ice maker is to produce ice on demand. Our ice maker assembly is mounted on the top of the freezer door inside. If there are no more ice cubes in the ice tray, check and replace the ice maker assembly if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Now we need to remove the ice bin assembly. I'm going to press down this little knob here and unlock it. Then I'm going to pull it forward and pull it straight up. Next, we need to take out these 2 Phillips screws, and then we'll be able to slide off this cover. Using a Phillips screwdriver. Now I'm going to grab this outer case and I'm going to slide it forward. This is the ice maker we are going to replace, and it's mounted on the door obviously. And next step would be using a 1/4-inch nut driver, taking out the 2 screws at the bottom of the ice maker. You kind of need to bend slightly that plastic apron underneath of the ice maker. Next, I'm going to pull off this inlet tube. It has a clip on the top and clip at the bottom, so I'll just move it out so it would be on the way. There are 2 hooks at the back of the ice maker that holds it in the position, so we're gonna push it up and then we can move it out slightly. Next, I'm going to peel this tape off so we can bend this side cover out of the way. Just let it hang. Next, I'm going to remove this plug out of these 2 tabs. Slide it out. And next would be taking off this cover. I'm going to insert the flathead screwdriver right there into the seam here, and we're gonna push up actually, this cover and pull it out at the same time. Slide it out, and we're gonna disconnect this plug. This is actually our ice maker connector. Pull it apart. Right now I'm gonna slide this cover. I'm going to put it aside. And finally, we can remove the ice maker assembly. This is the old ice maker assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, here we got the new ice maker assembly, and I'm going to place this harness out of the cutout. We don't need it there. And I'm going to put it back on here where it belongs. And I'm going to install these 2 hooks on the back bracket into these 2 openings on the door. There's a mounting brackets to here. Push it down and they'll lock in. Next, I'm going to lock this disconnect plug into this mounting clips. I'm going to bring in the connector cover. Slide the plug into this opening, and now I'm going to plug it in. And next would be putting that cover on. Press it in. And we're going to place the harness into this little hook here. That retainer hook. And next I'm going to raise this siding. I'm going to place it over this tab here. And secure it with a tape. Well, it's probably not going to stick properly, but that's okay, as long as it's going to stay in place. Now I'm going to lock this inlet tube by pressing it in at the bottom and at the top at the same time. All right. And we're going to secure the ice maker with 2 screws at the bottom and secure it with a 1/4-inch screw. And now we're going to slide on this ice maker cover. Push it down. Next I'm going to secure that cover with a couple of Phillips screws, 1 on each side. And now we can install the ice container assembly back in. We'll have 2 posts here on the sides, and they are going to go into these cutouts. I'm going to put it in, drop it down, and close it. And now when we're done, we can close the freezer door, plug the fridge back in, and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.